the Philippines in May Kawayan, representing Barangay Bangkal.
Hindi muna kanyang advocacy in 1 minute.
My advocacy is kabataan. Bilang isang kabataan, alam naman po natin na tayo ay nakakaranas ng diskriminasyon at insecurity sa ating sarili. Nais ko maging inspirasyon sa kapwa ko kabataan at mamamayan na bilang isang kabataan, alam naman po natin because I believe that dreams will not be costly if you become fearless. Dreams will become limitless. And I also believe that as a true queen must have an ear to listen, a heart to love the society, a mind and hand so that you can reach or touch the whole community. Mabuhay ang bawat may kawenyos!
Maraming salamat, Barangay Bangkal, for advocacy. But this time, you have 1 minute to showcase your talent. Grabe, simple lang, 1 minute lang pero bongga talaga, ano?
Pero naging